welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to follow the trend on the I followed fill in the blank tutorial, and I'm going to be following Chizi today. Now, Chizi's been roasting everyone on YouTube, so today is my turn to follow one of her tutorials and see how it turns out for me. I've actually never done finger coils before, so I'm pretty interested to not only do the style but to also follow her video. My hair has been freshly washed, finger detangled, you know, finger coils, finger detangle, right? So it has to turn out good. So I have a video right here. I'm gonna start and we'll see how it goes. Actually, I don't have a video. Where is it? Oh, I do. There it is.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be trying something a little different, finger coils. So finger coils are something I've never actually tried ever on my hair throughout my natural hair journey. I've been natural for so long.
I've actually never done finger coils before either. Finger coils is one of those things for me, just screams knots and tangles. So hopefully that doesn't happen, but we'll see.
So the two products I'll be using, both from Curl Prep, the Bigger the Butter and the Around the Way gel.
I don't have these products, so I'm not going to be using these products. But what I do have is my handy dandy shea butter mix, which I always use, so I'm going to use that to keep my hair moisturized. And I have this gel by Hydrotherma Naturals. It's the Aloe Curl Enhancing Twisted Cream. It specifically says on the bottle that this is good for finger coils, so I expect a miracle.
Alright, so there's going to be a few things I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to be using my Curadew just to moisturize my hair a little bit. I am going to wet it, but I just want to steam my hair a little because I feel like my hair needs steam. And also something else to note, I am going to be putting the front of my hair away. I'm just gonna work on this section right here.
We're also not gonna worry about all of that. My hair has already been washed, detangled, and deep conditioned, I should mention. So I'm just gonna go straight into moisturizing and then finger coiling. It is late, so I'm not gonna bother with steaming my hair. And to be fair, I haven't been steaming my hair ever since I cut it because I think I can get away with it for now. My ends are starting to get a little bit, you know, drier than usual, but that's also because they're a little bit older. But ever since I cut my hair, it's been wonderful.
Now I'm going to moisturize the entire section with... So the back of my hair is the loosest, so I know it's gonna coil really well.
Alright, so the back of my hair is really short. I don't even know if I should bother finger coiling it. I think it's just long enough that I can sort of grab. So I'm just going to apply the gel all over. Another thing, hopefully these two products doesn't really interact with each other and I don't have a lot of flakes left when my hair dries, but you know, we'll worry about that tomorrow. So I'm just gonna really try to grab small sections and start to finger coil, but the back of my hair, like I said, is really short, so I don't think it even matters what I do.
This is taking forever.
Hopefully it doesn't take a long time for me because it's 1 a.m.
Where my hair is more kinkier, I need smaller sections so that it could actually curl. I'm just gonna wrap. Make sure those roots are tight. And then I'm gonna keep going.
Okay, slow down, Jesus Christ. Wait for me. All right, you can do this, Jen. Honestly, if she can do this with a full head of hair, I can do this with half a full head of hair. Oh, at this point, I am so over this hairstyle. Like, I don't know where it's going, you know? So I'm just gonna finish and then see what Chizi has to tell me, what guidance she has to give me. Because I need the Lord at this point. Okay, so I think I'm done. Let's check it out.
This took like 4 hours. Like, I'm tired. I don't know. Probably end up putting this into a ponytail and going about my life. Or honestly, I'll probably just wear a wig on top of this. Probably just wear a wig on top of this.
What? Like, I just spent an hour doing my hair. I don't want to put a wig on, and I can't put my hair into a ponytail. So what are my options? Like, really, girl? What are my options? What am I supposed to do now? Like, this is the end? I need the rest. I'm looking for the rest of this tutorial.
I just feel like my hair is at a weird length for these coils, but whatevs. At least you guys see them. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed. Hit that notification bell.
This is how she's leaving me for real. So I'm on my own. This is what my hair looks like. I don't know. I don't really know what to do with it. Maybe I just need to like put some makeup on, you know, and oh my God. All right, well, let me just show you what happened to me today. I look like one of those rappers slash ball players, you know, that really don't do much to their hair because they're famous, except that I'm not famous. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna rock this. Let me know how you guys like this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let me know if you want me to continue doing these eye chart following hair tutorials, or makeup, because I mean, I don't have a lot of hair, so there's so many different hairstyles I can actually recreate. But you know, I'll keep looking. If you have any recommendations, leave a comment below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. All right, so this is the next day, and between you and I gotta do something with my hair. I gotta fix it, and we're gonna figure it out together. Okay. So this is what I'm working with. They are okay.